Hello guys and welcome, this is JNM and we reached 50,000 subscribers. This is amazing and you made this happen. I have two giveaways for you, a stone and a rock model. This stone we sculpted in a previous tutorial and I retopoed this to a low poly model and also did the UV unwrapping, and then I exported it as OBJ and FBX so that you can use it in any game engine that you like. To add the textures I use Substance Painter, my favorite texturing application, and I added a nice stylized material that you can get by the way from my friend 3DX. I added the link to the description below. I exported the textures, the diffuse, the normal map, roughness and metallic, which is just black in this case, with a 4K resolution. And the second giveaway is this rock. Perhaps you remember the tutorial where we created it, and now you can download it for free from my Patreon page. The textures are also exported with a 4K resolution, and you can use the models in your game engine, for example Unity. Here I drag them into the scene as prefabs, with the textures albedo, normal map, roughness and metallic added to a material. As I said, you can download the stylized material for Substance Painter from the gumroad of 3DX, the link is added to the description below. Thanks again guys for being my subscriber, and if you want to support me, consider being my patron. This would really help this channel grow. The link to the rock and stone model can be found in the description below, and you can use these even commercially. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.